Everywhere in our community, every day, you students are making a difference. And we are here today to celebrate and encourage you to carry on.
The key to this initiative is cooperation and sustainability. With commitments and partnerships from JCPS, the Archdiocese Schools, educators, the Muhammad Ali Center, and Metro government, together we will focus on nurturing and cultivating lifelong compassionate learning.
We are so honored to be part of a community project that will really propel our youth in the community to be great people. That is so important that we teach our youth about compassion and how to be compassionate. Here at the center, we use Muhammad's 6 core principles to inspire individuals to be great individuals and be great people and to do great things in their communities. That's why this announcement today is so big, because one of the things that we focus on here through our Muhammad Ali Center Council of Youth is having young people, young leaders, become great leaders in their communities.
Social change through personal transformation. But this personal transformation comes through giving, and the need for social change felt by those on the outside is a result of empathy and compassion. So it feels fitting that the Muhammad Ali Center is the location for today's Youth Engaging Compassion press conference. We're honored to be part of this effort, and I know that all of our MAC students are very honored to be part of the Youth Engaging Compassion, and there is so much hope put on this program in the weeks, the months, and the years to come.
Students, did you know that research supports the benefits of having a compassionate mindset? There have even been studies done. Dr. Davidson, a noted professor, found a core link between compassion and student achievement. Additionally, research found the skills of kindness and compassion are critical in developing cognitive skills and helps to cultivate attention in school. Compassion also lessens stress, a common barrier to learning. The dictionary defines compassion as a conscious awareness of others' distress and a desire to alleviate it. Our JCPS Board of Education approved and adopted a resolution at the January 28, 2013 meeting. And we've developed personalized resolutions for each of our schools to reflect their commitment to this effort. And I just want to read what it's going to say. Louisville Mayor Greg Fisher has made compassion one of the 3 foundational pillars of his administration. The compassion for resolution, or the resolution for compassion, is consistent with the Board of Education's values, policies, and strategic plan, Vision 2015. Therefore, our Board of Education resolved that members of the JCPS community, students, parents, faculty, to affirm the resolution for compassion and to strive to live and act more compassionately. Our vision in JCPS is that all JCPS students will graduate prepared.
We will strive in all of our schools and as individuals to show compassion by thinking about how our words make others feel, by thinking aloud to see how our actions make people feel. And we will show compassion by understanding why someone is acting the way that they do. And we will show compassion by being considerate of other people.
Mayor Fisher, you have truly started a movement with compassion. And there will be a resolution for compassion that is specific to each one of the schools displayed starting next week. And we want to present you with an example of your impact and influence.
I've had the distinct honor and pleasure and joy of being able to go through the kindness of Suzanne Wright and John Marshall, who work with our school system, in to visit many of these schools. And we've been doing wonderful projects for compassion and playing, acting, how not to be bullies, how to include the person who's been left out.
So where did all this compassion start? Obviously, it's in everybody here already. But when I started thinking about what would be a good way for our city to be known, I said there'd be three major things, and I talk about them every day. First is if we're known as a city of lifelong learning. So you guys as students are models for all of us in that. And it's not necessarily schoolwork, but it could also be just something you're interested in. And I call that the joy of learning, when you find something that, boy, it's fun to learn about. And what that leads to is great jobs. So the first one's lifelong learning. And the second one is about health. And not just our physical health, but think about all the different ways we can keep our city and ourselves healthy. Obviously, physical health, mental health, social health, how we all get along with each other, environmental health, how we take care of the earth, spiritual health, knowing that we're not here just for ourselves, we're here for a bigger reason. So health is the second pillar. And then the third pillar was compassion. How can we be an even more compassionate city where people are looking out for each other and taking care of each other? So if you close your eyes and say, what kind of place would I like to live? And that place is full of people learning new things all the time, healthy people, healthy environment, and people taking care of each other. That's a good place. And that's the kind of place that people want to live. So that's what we're working toward every day, and what you guys are really showing the way here with this leadership initiative that you have here underway that's going to lead to many, many great things. Now, I understand we're going to launch a new website today. Is that right? We got it up right now? Okay, so this is a brand new website. It's called youthengagingcompassion.org. So you can go on there and learn the many ways that we're rolling out activities for compassion. You don't learn compassion from a website, obviously, but it channels the love and compassion that you have already. You all are also going to have ideas on how to improve this and take us to other places. So make sure that we understand how you all think we can improve this. So youthengagingcompassion.org. Then when you're done checking that out, go to mygiveaday.com so you can sign up for a volunteer project. Got a link to it right there. Fantastic. Well done. mygiveaday.com so you can figure out how to volunteer for our week of service, April 13 to 21.